Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to get money off a Walmart money card without a card. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Getting money off a Walmart money card without a card requires a digital loyalty code. However, ensure you have at least $25 Walmart cash in your account to make a cash out. Here's how to do it. Go to a Walmart store. Visit the nearest Walmart store, which you can find using walmart.com. Find the money center, usually located at the customer service desk. Generate a loyalty digital code. Open the Walmart Money Card app and log in to your account. Tap the Cash Out option to generate a one-time loyalty digital code. Show the displayed code to the attendant. Show proof of identity. Offer proof of identity when requested. You can use your driver's license or a state-issued ID for verification. Get the cash. If everything is okay, you will receive the cash. The attendant will provide you with a receipt, and a confirmation email for the withdrawal will be sent to your email address. So that's it. Getting money off a Walmart card without a card is just that easy. Thanks for watching. Until next time.